on these little prongs here and wiggle the connector off of the light bulb. Then you want to go ahead and use your T20 Torx bit and remove the 2 screws. Once the screws are removed, just set those aside. Now right on the top, there's 2 little spring clips right here, and on the other side, you want to press those down and go ahead and work that light forward. And just remove it from the front.
Using a 7mm socket, I'm going to go ahead and remove the lower small bolt from the back corner of the bumper. Going to do this on both sides. Go ahead and just pry the bumper away a little bit here. You want to do this for all 4 pins, 2 on each side. I'm going to go ahead and use your pry tool and open up, push these buttons and pop those out. Repeat this right across the whole front. You can use a pair of small pliers for something like this. We're just using a trim tool. Now you want to grab the edge of the bumper, pull it away, and pull forward at the same time. Work your way around the whole front of the bumper, and do the same for the passenger side. Pull the bumper out and away. You can bring the bumper down like so. Getting the bumper reinstalled, you want to make sure that the fender liner is behind the bumper. So go ahead and just pry that out and set that up in there, and do the same for the other side. Pull the bumper back into place. Reinstall your 4 plastic push pins here. You might have to use some pliers to pop those buttons in completely. Go ahead and reinstall the bumper screws. Let's get that started by hand. Go ahead and snug that down. Next, we're going to go ahead and reinstall our fender liner push pins and repeat this for both sides.
Good, and start by pushing this in. Once these pegs are lined up, you go ahead and push this in. Go ahead and install the 2 screws. Once you get those started in there, you go ahead and snug those down. All right, once you get those snug down, now you can go ahead and reconnect your connector. Just line that up, push it on until you hear it click. Now what you want to do is to finalize the project, you want to go ahead and use this upper Torx bit here to adjust the level of the fog light. Once that's done, go ahead and repeat for the other side.
Line up the tabs on the lower portion of the grill. Push it down into place. And line up the holes for your push pins. Go ahead and install your push pins.